All right, y'all, we're gonna make some Backwoods chicken casserole. We're gonna start with some cooked white rice. Make enough to kind of somewhat fill up the bottom of your casserole dish. This is about a cup and a half of white rice. So I would suggest doing either a cup and a half or 2 cups white rice for the bottom, but we're just getting started. Next, we're gonna take cream of mushroom soup, put that over the top of it. Got that nice and cleaned out. And then also a cream of chicken soup as well. Get that in there. Get it nice and scraped. All right, once you got that, we're gonna add 2 cups of chicken broth. There we go. And then we're gonna take our whisk and whisk all this together for a minute here. All right, we've got that nice and whisked together in there. So next we're gonna take, I cut 2 chicken breasts in half horizontally, and we're gonna put that over the top of our mixture here. Once we have that on there, we're gonna take some Badia Complete seasoning, love this stuff, and just do a generous seasoning over your chicken. Whoa, baby. And then once that's on there, we're gonna take some onion soup and sprinkle that over the top as well. All right, once that's on there, we're gonna take some aluminum foil and just tightly put it over the top. Nice and tight. We got the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna put it in there for 60 to 70 minutes. That's an hour to an hour and 10 minutes, depending on how long it takes. And we'll come back and check on it. All right, let's check on this Backwoods chicken. Ooh. Let's see how she's looking. Get that tin foil off of there. Oh, wow. Just baked right into it. Okay, then you're supposed to fluff the rice a little bit to get it kind of mixed in there. That smells like some good flavor right there. I'm gonna get that flavor kind of mixed over the top. One last little once over. All right, I think I want to try this guy. Let's see, I'm gonna go for this one right here. I cannot wait to sink my teeth into this. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is super tasty. Don't let the looks fool you. This is a super tasty, simple meal. Keep your family fed for even a couple of days, depending on how big y'all are. Y'all gotta try this for real.